Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, also known as the Clean India Mission, is one of the biggest cleanliness campaign ever started in India. It was launched by the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, on 2nd October 2014, the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi always believed that cleanliness is very important for the healthy and peaceful life. He used to say that cleanliness is even more important than worship. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan aims to fulfill his dream of a clean, healthy, and beautiful India. Before this mission began, cleanliness was not given much attention in many parts of India. Many people did not have toilets at home, garbage was often thrown on roads and in other spaces. Many villages and cities were struggling with problems like open defecation, dirty surroundings, population, and lack of awareness about hygiene. These problems caused many diseases and made life difficult for people. To solve these issues, the government started Swachh Bharat Abhiyan as a national-wide movement. The main objectives of this mission are to eliminate open defecation by building toilets in every household, to improve waste management by proper garbage collection and disposal, to clean roads, streets, rivers, and public places, to create awareness among people about hygiene and cleanliness, to encourage people to adopt clean habits and take responsibility for their surroundings, and to promote recycling and reduce pollution. One of the biggest achievements of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is the construction of toilets across the country. Before this mission, a large number of people in rural India used to go out in the open for defecation. This was not only unhygienic but also unsafe, especially for women. It also caused many health problems and polluted the environment. Under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, the government built millions of toilets in both rural and urban areas. Funds were provided to families to build toilets in their home. Awareness programs were also conducted to encourage people to use these toilets regularly. As a result, many villages were declared open defecation free, known as ODF. This was a big step towards improving the health and dignity of people. Waste management and cleanliness in cities. Another important part of this mission is improving waste management in cities. Earlier, garbage used to dumped anywhere, streets were dirty, drains were blocked, and public places were unhygienic. This created a bad environment and caused many diseases. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan encouraged the use of dustbin, door-to-door garbage collection, and waste segregation into wet and dry waste. Many cities started modern waste management system. Machines were introduced to separate waste, recycle plastic, and compost organic waste. Some cities like Indore, Surat, and Navi Mumbai become example of excellent cleanliness and ranked among the cleanest cities in India. Behavioral change and public participation. Cleanliness cannot be achieved by the government alone. It requires the participation of every citizen. This is why the mission focused strongly on changing people's habit. Public awareness campaigns were organized in schools, colleges, offices, and villages. People were encouraged to keep their surroundings clean, avoid littering, use dustbin, clean their home regularly, and take part in cleanliness drives. Social media are also played a big role in spreading the message of the mission. Many celebrities, leaders, and well-known personalities participated in cleanliness activities and encouraged people to join. Role of schools and students. Schools played a very important role in the success of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Students took part in rallies, essays, poster-making competitions, and cleanliness drives. Teachers explained the importance of hygiene and how small habits like washing hands, keeping classroom clean, and using toilets can make a big difference. Students also took the message home to their families and neighborhood. In this way, the campaign helped build a new generation that understood the values of cleanliness. The benefits of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. This mission has brought many benefits to India, like improvement in public health. Clean surroundings reduce the spread of disease like diarrhea, cholera, malaria, and dengue like that. This saves money and reduces pressure on hospitals. Cleaner environment. Proper waste management reduces pollution in air, water, and soil. Growth in tourism. Clean cities and tourist spots attract more visitors, which helps the economy. Better equality of life, clean streets, parks, and public places make cities more beautiful and pleasant to live in. Women's safety and dignity. Toilets in home provide privacy and security to women and girls. More children in school. When schools have clean toilets, especially for girls, attendance improves. Challenges ahead. Even though the campaign has achieved a lot, some challenges still remain. In some places, toilets have been built but not used properly. Some people still throw garbage on the roads instead of in dustbin. Waste segregation is still not followed everywhere. Changing old habits takes time and continuous effort. Cities with large population still face problems in collecting and managing waste. To overcome these challenges, every citizen must take responsibility and support the mission not just once but every day. The conclusion for this is like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a great step toward making India cleaner, healthier, and more beautiful. It has brought major changes in sanitation, hygiene, and people behavior. The campaign teaches us that cleanliness is not only the duty of government but also the responsibility of every person. If each citizen keep their home, street, school, and workplace clean, our entire country will become clean. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is more than just a campaign. It is a Jan Andolan, a people movement. By following clean habits, avoiding littering, and spreading awareness, we can fulfill the dream of Mahatma Gandhi and build a clean India for future generations.